Good morning, one and all. Myself, dear Atari. Today we will see the standards and codes in design. A standard is a set of specification defined by a certain body or an organization to which various characteristics of the components, a systems or a product should conform. The characteristics include dimensions, shapes, tolerances, surface finish, materials, methods, uh, method of testing, method of use, then method of packing and storing, etc. Uh, Now we will see the code. A code is a set of specification or procedure for the design, analysis, testing and manufacturing a product, components or systems. Specification, a set of conditions and requirements of research and limited applications that provide detailed description of procedure, process, material, product or service for use. Primarily in procurement and manufacturing, standards may be referred or included in specification. Technical regulations are mandatory government requirement that defines the characteristics and the performance requirement of a product, service or process. ANSI and USNC are the US clearinghouse for standard and founding members of ISO. Internationally, we see standard organization in each of the major industrial nations, and several umbrella groups are International Organization for Standardization ISO, International Electrotechnical Commissions IEC, International Telecommunication Union ITU. ISO 9000 standard indicates that a quality standard used by business to say we are quality. ISO 14000 indicates that the International Environmental Management Guidelines or standard. Then ANSI slash ASME, International Drafting Standard for Engineering Drawings. Even cloth sizes are controlled by international standards. There are two broad forms of codes: performance codes and perspective codes. Performance codes are stated in terms of the specific requirements that is expected to be achieved. The method to achieve the result is not specified. Second one is the perspective codes. Perspective code or specification code states the requirements in terms of the specific details and leave no discretions to the designer. Design standards fall into three categories: performance, test methods, and codes of practice. There are published performance standards for many products such as seat belts, lumber, and auto crash safety. Test method standards set forth methods for measuring properties such as yield strength, thermal conductivity, or electrical resistivity. Most of these are developed for and published by the American Society for Testing and Material ASTM. Codes of practice. Codes of practice give detailed design methods for repetitive technical problems such as design of piping, heat exchangers, and pressure vessels. Many of these are developed Many of these are developed by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers ASME, Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code, the American Nuclear Society, and the Society of Automotive Engineers. There are standards in mechanical engineering applications, standard for sizes and shapes of components, example nuts and bolts, bearings, keys, belts, gear, etc. The second one is the standard for products, example electric motors, engine, gearboxes, etc. Third one is the standard for fits, tolerances and surface finish of the components. Fourth one is the standard for conventional representation of components on the drawing. Then types of standard. Company standards define a set of set by a company for their use. Second one is the national standard, includes BIS, ASME, AGMA, AWS, ANSI. International standards ISO, IBWM. Then application codes of standards: Occupational Safety and Health Act OSHA, American Society of Mechanical Engineers ASME, the National Fire Protection Association NFPA, then International Chemistry Safety Card ICSC. So these are the different standards and codes. Please like it, share it and comment it. Thank you.